So it's spring here in Vanuatu and we have all kinds of pumpkins in the market. I mean, all types. We've got these types, we've got butternut squashes, we've got long, beautiful ones. It's great, perfect timing. So for this soup, we are going to use peeled and cubed pumpkin. Guys, you can use any kind of squash you want for this soup. Okay, let's call this a small butternut squash. Okay, the quantities really don't matter. We have like 3 different kinds of sweet potatoes on the island. This one is purple from the outside and white in the inside. I went ahead and peeled 2 of them. I have a small onion, which I just peeled and cut into big pieces. I've got 2 garlic cloves, which I smashed. I have 2 turmeric roots, which I peeled. I used a napkin, a paper napkin to hold them. These will stain your hands and everything, so be careful. If you would rather use powder, you may. And I also have some ginger, which I just peeled and cut up. I'm gonna put all of this into my pot. These vegetables are softened. So I have 4 cups of liquid in here. Part of it is a can of 400 milliliters of coconut milk and the rest is water. I'm gonna add 2 more cups of water. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we're gonna cook this for about 25 minutes until the pumpkin is softened and cooked through, as well as the sweet potato, okay? By the way, I'm not gonna salt this because we're gonna put miso in it and miso is salty, so we won't salt it until the end, okay? All right, now we're going to blend this soup so that we can finish it. If you have an immersion blender, use it now. If not, wait until it cools down and blend it in your blender, okay? Please don't put hot liquid in your blender because it will explode all over the place. So now guys, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of miso to this. So I'm just gonna put it in this colander. Miso can be lumpy and you don't want to find a lump of salty miso when you're eating, believe me. We're not gonna let this super boil. We're just gonna heat it. I am gonna taste it and see if I wanna put more in there though. I wanna show you how I'm going to serve this today. This is all optional, guys. You can eat it just like this. You can put croutons on it. You can even add, you know, like spinach in there, whatever you want. This is a very versatile, very delicious soup. I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil on this. Some chopped scallion green. You can use cilantro also if you would prefer. I'm adding raw pumpkin seeds, pepitas. Ooh, yummy. And I chopped up this little very, very spicy chili and putting that in. This is beautiful. You have the sweetness of the pumpkin and the sweet potato. The coconut, of course, and then the umami of the miso. Oof. It is very, very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.